Hello. Okay, let's do a practice problem with comparative advantage and absolute advantage. Remember, comparative advantage is the thing, what you have to do you got to do a little bit of math with comparative advantage. Absolute advantage is pretty easy. Absolute advantage is who produces more of a certain product. So if you look right here, we've got Ashley and we've got John. Shout out to some of my friends. Ashley produces 15 watermelons or 5 pumpkins. John can produce 10 watermelons or 2 pumpkins. So, absolute advantage, who produces the most of each product, of a certain product? Ashley produces 15 watermelons to John's 10 watermelons. So Ashley has absolute advantage. Whoops, I just stepped on a marker. In watermelons, did I say watermelons or pumpkins? Whatever, you got it. And then Ashley produces 5 pumpkins and John produces 2. So Ashley produces more pumpkins as well. So Ashley has absolute advantage in both goods. Now comparative advantage is a little bit different. We need to see if Ashley and John would be good trading partners. So this is where we got to do a little bit of math, because whoever has comparative advantage has the lowest opportunity cost. They give up the least in order to make a certain product or produce a certain product. So Ashley, we'll start up here, and I'm going to kind of do it small, but hopefully you can see it. Let's start with pumpkins. We're going to take away 5 over here, take away 5 over here. Ashley can produce 1 pumpkin or 3 watermelons. John can produce, we'll take 2 off on this side. We're just simplifying it, so just easy kind of math. 1 pumpkin and let's see, 5 watermelons. So if you look right here, if Ashley produces 1 pumpkin, or she can produce 1 pumpkin or she can produce 3 watermelons. John can produce 1 pumpkin or 5 watermelons. Who's giving up the least to produce 1 pumpkin? Ashley is. So Ashley has comparative advantage in pumpkins. Now, if we take it a step further, let's look and see. Remember when I show you in class, I'm just showing you. I've got a little kid in here, by the way. I'll show you a picture of her in a minute. She's real cute, I promise. We're going to take off. We're going to simplify this even more to see who has comparative advantage in watermelons. So we'll take off 3 on this side. Take off 3 over here. Like I said, it's going to be kind of small. So one watermelon equals 1/3 of a pumpkin for Ashley. Hey, shh. For a second. Okay. And then 5, let's take away 5 over here, 5 over here. 1 watermelon equals 1/5 of a pumpkin. What's smaller, 1/3 or 1/5 over here? 1/5 is smaller. Hopefully you know your fractions. So John can produce 1 watermelon and give up 1/5 of a pumpkin. Ashley can produce 1 watermelon and give up 1/3 of a pumpkin. John gives up the least. John should produce watermelons. Isn't that the darndest thing? So John's going to be producing watermelons. So would John and Ashley be good trading partners? Yes, because they both specialize in a different product. Ashley should sell pumpkins and John should sell watermelons. Okay, hopefully you get that. If you don't, come and see me and we'll do a lot of practice problems, I promise. Oh, here's a cute kid I'm keeping. Say hey. Say hey. Say see you later.